Oh, hey Ray.
Hey Emma, what's up?
Do you know where listener is?
Yeah. She's in the library with Norman.
Oh,
Alright. Thank you.
oh hey listener. Hey Norman. I need listener for a science project. Can I borrow her?
Oh, sure, and Emma.
Great. Thank you.
But why are you sharpening scissors? Not of your concern. Alright, my scissors are done being sharpened. Just because I have to sharpen, some... You know? Yeah. Anyways, listener, come on. Come on. Alright, on to the point. Why are you hanging out more with Norman instead of me? That's not excuses. Drink this. It's hot cocoa. Drink it. I made it just for you. See, it's not bad. Now you drink it. Oh, I wasn't the swallowed the pillow. Anyways. Come on. There. She can stay right here in the closet. I'll just open the closet. Great, now listeners, all mine. I love listener.